In this video, I'll show you how you can accept donations and create a wish list for your fans using Throne. Now this is completely free. I'm going to sign up with you live on video. I'm going to show you how you can create your account, how you can set up your Throne profile. Then I'll show you how you can share it to all of your followers so you can accept gifts and donations. So what you need to do is go to throne.com. Once you're here, you can read a bit more about it. You can see it is the wish list for creators, and you can create a privacy first wish list and let your fans support you by sending gifts without sharing personal information. So this is a bit like the Amazon wish list. So what you need to do is go to their website and click sign up in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and then sign up as a creator. So click I'm a creator and then enter in your username. Your username is going to be at the end of your URL. So I'm going to enter my username here as KnowledgeBase, and we can go ahead and click next. Now, if you already have an account with Google, Twitch or Apple, you can sign up with that, or you can sign up with any external email. Then choose your country, and now you can write out your About You section. So we can go ahead and upload a profile picture. So if we click edit here, we can then find an image. For the video, I'll just upload this image of me. My public name is Bradley Harrison, and I'm going to just write a quick bio. Okay, so now we've done that, we can complete the setup, and that should be it for onboarding. Okay, so now we're in throne.com. You can see we've got our profile set up. If we go ahead and click on edit, we can also customize, I'm assuming, more of the page. So you can go ahead and add a banner image if you wanted to, and you can also change the colors down here and then view your page once you've made those changes. So now you're on your Throne page, and what you can do now is you can add gifts in your wish list, and you can go ahead and see who's gifted you items. So if you go to your wish list, you can then go ahead and add gifts, and you can then go ahead and choose your interests. You can also check adult products. So I'm going to check here, we'll go with something along the lines of technology. So let's say I want this as a gift. We can go ahead and add that to my profile. It's going to then include the title and the product images as well as the price. And you can enter a description if you want to. Then click add to wish list, and it will then add it to your wish list. Now you can view your wish list and we'll take a look, and you can see you can start to populate your wish list here with products. You can also add a collection and categorize these products. If you want to add a cash gift, you can go ahead and click add gift in the top right hand corner. Then you can click cash gift, and you can then enter a title. So maybe this is coffee, and you can put a price here. So let me put $4, and you can obviously put whatever quantity you want. So I'll put 100, and you can then add that to your wish list as well. And if we view the wish list, that will then be updated. So there you go, you've got your coffee and your other product. Now to go ahead and give your wish list out to your fans, you just need to go to your URL, go ahead and copy it, and you can then start to paste this in your YouTube description, in Instagram, and various places. So I hope that did help you out. Let me know in the comment section below if it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.